Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice in this YouTube channel. So today I've picked out one cue card for speaking in this video, and the cue card is about describing a party that you enjoyed. So I have just gone through this website where I found out this cue card, which I found it very interesting, and for that I'm speaking. So I'll just tell you like how can you can basically uh, speak on any cue card and any situation, whatever you have the topic. So you need to basically find out these all seven things in that particular topic, and just basically finding out that you will get some sort of content which you can basically speak on, and so you can build a lot story by just having these all words in your mind. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So I'll just wrote down my words which I'm going to speak, and along with that, in the end, I'm going to speak on this cue card as well. So what I'm going to talk about is describe a party that you enjoyed, right? So these are the things you need to find out. Just hold a second. I'll just cut out these all things. So these are the words which I found out, and I'm going to speak on this topic. Why using these all words? I think I found it very useful. So let's jump into this video on this topic. So the last party that you have enjoyed, which is organized by me, and the plan is by my end, because one of my closest friend who is who's like uh, parents' wedding anniversary near, and so I decided to basically plan a surprise party where he didn't going to tell his family that he is organizing something. So that basically I have also implement in my parents as well. So I've got a huge success, and along with that, I'm going to share these things from my friends only. And so I have prepared like 2 to 3 days for that, and the wedding the surprise party is organized by me basically, and for that I work very hard basically, and for that we have booked one famous hotel which is Oberoi, and along with his parents we just tell his parents that that is we are going for doing some sort of shopping, and along with that, like why I have basically invite all of their family members, and and so after seeing these all things, they find it very interesting and very shocking, because they never got this some sort of situation where they don't know actually what they are going to do. So yeah, and I think this is how it is difficult. So for that, I basically missed a lot of videos on speaking cue card, and in the future as well, I'm going to speak on this thing frequently, because that is really work very very uh, drastically, and you can improve yourself very easily. So that is very hardest way, but yeah, along with that, making video is too difficult. So I'm going to work on it in upcoming days, and going to improve myself. So on these videos, that is it. I hope you found it helpful. So never mind, just sometime I just upload videos which is not, you are not getting any sort of things. But yeah, I'm working, and this is how beginner works. Basically, I'm just showing that, right? So on this note, I'm completing this video. Bye bye, have a good day.